Hey everybody, it's Neil, and if you're anything like me and are crazy about the AirTags and put them on everything and the luggage and everything like that, you'll want something like this. What this here is, it's a 4-pack of these and the AirTag cases. I just opened it up and took one out just to look at it, but you can see it's got a little pin, so you can pin it onto something. So if you have a child or something like that, you could put the AirTag in there. Like I have an AirTag here, and I can just, well, let me close up the pin for a second. So you can put your AirTag into there, like so. Now I have my AirTag in there. And then you can pin it onto the kid's backpack, put it inside of your luggage, and kind of so you'll have it, or anywhere you really need to have an AirTag. And then you've got your AirTag easy and place to go. Comes with 4 of these, so I can put these on here. I have them in my luggages, and they're just kind of floating around there. So I'm afraid when I open up my luggage and take my stuff out, it's going to go flying. But now I can pin it onto the little fabric that's on the inside of the luggage. And I have them on my backpacks. I got them on my keys. I have everything. Like you can see, this one here. Well, this one just says NDR3 on it, but I have ones, they go up all the way to 12. I have 12 of them. So that's what these are, and they are super cool. And so you can just stick your AirTags in there, and it looks like it's going to hold it in there really well. So you can put it on there, and it'll stay in there. It's not coming out, and especially once it's pinned onto something. So really cool little device here, just a little cute little silicone thing to hold it on. So totally thumbs up.